Strictly private and confidential. 10th November 1937. My dear Mr. Jinnah, after having several talks with Sir Sikandar and his friends, I am now definite of the opinion that Sir Sikandar wants nothing less than the complete control of the League and the Provincial Parliamentary Board. In your pact with him, it is mentioned that the Parliamentary Board will be reconstituted and that the Unionists will have majority in the board. Sir Sikandar tells me that you agreed to their majority in the board. I wrote to you some time ago to inquire whether you did agree to the Unionist majority in the board. So far, I have not heard from you. I personally see no harm in giving him the majority that he wants, but he goes beyond the pact when he wants a complete change in the office holders of the League, especially the Secretary, who has done so much for the League. He also wishes that the finances of the League should be controlled by his men. All this, to my mind, accounts to capturing of the League and then killing it. Knowing the opinion of the province, as I do, I cannot take the responsibility of handing down the League to Sir Sikandar and his friends. The pact has already damaged the prestige of the League in this province, and the tactics of the Unionists may damage it still further. They have not so far signed the creed of the League, and I understand do not mean to. The session of the League in Lahore they want in April instead of February. My impression is that they want to gain time for their own Zamindara League to function in the province. Perhaps you know that on his return from Lucknow, Sir Sikandar constituted a Zamindara League, whose branches are now being made in the province. In these circumstances, please let me know what we should do, kindly via your view, if possible. If this is not possible, write a detailed letter as early as possible. Yours sincerely, Muhammad Iqbal, Bar at Law.